I know it's been a minute, y'all. I've been gone. But listen, I want to talk pickles and shipments and recipes and all of that with y'all today.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really did know you are.
This is my new recipe, by the way, and it is fire. I'm gonna go ahead and give it. Y'all see, it's pretty much gone because we've been tearing it up, tasting and trying. Oh my gosh, y'all. Is there even any left for me to taste? So I'm gonna go with this one. Also wanted to mention different kind of cucumbers. I use two different kind of cucumbers. One is more crunchier than the other with the more of a bumpy back. Those are the pickling ones. And then more of a smooth where like it's still got a crunch, but it's not as crunchy as these ones. So I think I might give y'all the option to choose between what kind of cucumbers you want. And that's pushing it because y'all spoiled if I do that. We'll see. This is the size that I will be shipping. Not this size, okay? This is the size. They will all be refrigerator pickles. They all will be habaneros for now until I drop new flavors, okay? But 32 ounces is what we going with, okay? Now, as far as price, I still am trying to figure that out because of shipping costs, the weight of these things. As y'all can see, I got a test box right here. Okay, we got a jar in here wrapped up just to see if it fits. Y'all don't really know the shit that I've been going through with these pickles, okay? We got a lot of test stuff in here, but this is a test box just to see, you know, what size that I needed and what kind of jar. Oh, it's been a lot, but I've kind of figured it out. But today I'm going to be starting to make some of the orders that y'all gonna be buying. But I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that I had to switch up the recipe a little bit. I had to switch up the recipe because obviously I gave y'all a fantastic recipe that's already out there. And I already tested this recipe and it is okay. So nothing to worry about on that end. It's just that I gotta keep this recipe to myself. That's all that is. But y'all already got one. I gave y'all a gift. Don't ever say I didn't give you nothing. So we about to clean this up here and start packaging some orders. But I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what was going on. Because I know a lot of people been asking. I know a lot of people been wanting to know what's going on. And that's what's going on. Y'all, I had to buy a whole new refrigerator for y'all pickles, okay? That's how serious it is. Because it can't go in my regular refrigerator for all of y'all out there. I had to get a whole new brand new one for y'all. And I had to get a whole bunch of jars. Let me just show y'all my jars. These are my jars. And I got a whole bunch more. Okay, I had to come up with a design first and then get the labels done, and then I had to get a machine to freaking print out my labels for shipping, like shipping labels. I had to get like everything in bulk, big stuff, you know what I'm saying, not just the little stuff that I've been using. So I've been having to do that, figure out where I can get cut on my prices and all of that. Cucumbers, I had to find like a supplier. Y'all understand, I had to find suppliers now for this stuff. I can't just go to Walmart now and just get me a few jars and just, you know, for myself. Like I had to find a supplier. It's a lot. It's a lot. Then all the registrations I had to do, all the little payments and fees, you know, for working at home. It's just a lot. But I'm here. We here. And we finna start making some orders today. Y'all know these take 2 weeks, so I think I'm gonna start with like 100. I think I'm gonna start with 100 jars, and I'm gonna see how that sells. If it sells, then we gonna get the ball rolling and make more. But right now, I just want to see if y'all serious, as I am. But anyway, I might show y'all a little bit of the process today. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all should be able to place y'all orders real soon. And until then, I will see y'all.
Hit that subscribe button.